Popular Westmoreland jerk vendor robbed and killed. 5 killed in Westmoreland crash. Man shot and injured near Pernell Charles Arcade. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, comment, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can always be updated with the latest news. Now for the news in details. A popular jerk chicken vendor was shot dead by yet unknown assailants while on the job in his Westmoreland community on Sunday morning. The victim was robbed of an undetermined sum of money. He has been identified as Errol McDonald, also called Jerky, of a Landillo, Westmoreland address. Reports are that McDonald, who reportedly operates his jerk chicken business on a section of the Landillo Main Road nightly, was held up and robbed of his sales early on Sunday morning by gunmen, who then opened fire on him. He was taken to the Savannah Lamar Public General Hospital, where he was pronounced dead. McDonald has since been described by social media users as a very hard-working individual. The Westmoreland police are investigating the development. A toddler and her mother are among 4 people killed in a motor vehicle crash in Bluefields, Westmoreland on Monday afternoon. Others have been taken to hospital, but the extent of their injuries is unconfirmed. Reports are that sometime before 4 o'clock, a public passenger minibus was involved in a head-on collision with a delivery truck along the Bluefields main road, causing it to run off the road. It still was not clear what caused the crash, but it was understood that the impact threw some passengers from the bus. Firefighters who responded to the incident had to cut other passengers from the wreckage. The mother was pronounced dead at the scene, while her baby daughter died at hospital. There are no reports of injuries to the occupants of the truck. A man was shot and injured on Tuesday morning near the Pernell Charles Arcade in downtown Kingston. The incident occurred sometime after 8 a.m. along East Parade. The injured man was rushed to the nearby Kingston Public Hospital. More details come following further investigations.